Hello, my friends, it's Kim. I wanted to do a really quick video for you to show you a way to save a ton of cooking time on your tomatoes if you're making sauce, or in my case, I don't like having a jar full of watery tomatoes. You know how even though you pack them really tight, they end up with half a jar of liquid in there? Well, I only have 8 tomato plants this year, so they all came in at different times. This is a bag that I do them a little at a time. I actually went through and cored them and peeled them, and then I just chopped them up and put them in a bag. Well, I found a trick to get rid of a lot of liquid. There's very little cooking time when I want to make sauces. I set up a pot with a colander on top, and I wanted to show you. Now, this bag I'm going to pull out of here was the exact same amount as this. This is what I got after I drained them overnight. Okay? So look at the difference in that. Basically, I just put them in the bowl here, and this is how much liquid you will get out of your tomatoes. So now you know why it takes forever to cook down your sauces, or you get a lot of that liquid, that water in your tomatoes, because tomatoes are a huge amount of water. More than half of these, I'd say 3/4 of them, are paste tomatoes on top of it. So it's not like I use slicing tomatoes. But this is how I drain off the extra liquid. I do save some of that liquid because if my sauce is too thick or I want some liquid, I can cook this down. It's really good. I concentrate it. I mean, I boil that down. I might take a gallon and get it down into a pint. It concentrates that flavor. You can use it as the beginning of a vegetable broth. It's so good. And to make different soups and stuff, you could put it in your chili. However you want to use it. You don't have to throw it away if you don't want to. But anyway, I wanted to show you this quick tip on taking frozen tomatoes. It works best with frozen. And getting rid of all that liquid. And look at that whole bag was stuffed just as much as this other one. And that is how much liquid I had in the bag. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And have a wonderful day.